Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you guys how to decorate candle. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. For new video notification, please press the bell icon. Follow me on my Instagram account Sambita's channel and Facebook page Sambita. So let's get started. At first, take a candle. Here I am using white color candle. Now I am decorating with 3D liner. The color name is Amsterdam All Acrylics Relief Paint for Glass Universal Satin Universal Gloss. Here I am using copper color, golden 3D color and silver 3D color. Here I am making golden and copper star and silver dot. Now color is completely dry. Our decorative candle is ready. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope this DIY video will help you a lot. Give me your feedback on comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye bye.